Sailing on a small yacht is really the perfect way of seeing French Polynesia. And because we've been here since 35 years, we've really deep-rooted relationships with the local population. And another important local partnership we have just announced is with Coral Gardeners. They're headquartered here in Moorea, Tahiti, and we're really proud to have joined with Coral Gardeners. They started in 2017 by a group of high school kids on Moorea. They grew up in the ocean and learned early on how important reefs are to the ecosystem. These kids noticed the reefs were dying, so they decided to do something about it. 50% of the world's reefs are already lost. What they are doing is finding heat-resistant corals in the lagoon, taking small fragments and then growing them on ropes in the coral nursery. They take 1 year to reach maturity, and then they take fragments of it and plant them on damaged coral reefs where they grow and spawn. Why are reefs important? Well, half the oxygen we breathe comes from the ocean, and coral reefs are the foundation for a healthy ocean. 1/4 of marine life resides in reefs. The biodiversity is just really important. People rely on ocean reefs and marine life for their livelihood, their food and coastal protection. We're expanding our program on board so guests on any ship in any destination can adopt a coral for $35 donation, and all funds go to the Coral Gardeners. We have to protect our oceans and our reefs, so they're doing really important work, and we're really glad to be joining them.